Good morning, children. Welcome back to our science class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about types of mirrors. Now, first of all, let us see what is a mirror. A mirror is an object which has a well-polished surface and it reflects most of the light falling on it. Mirrors are of two types, plane mirror and curved mirror. Plane mirror, as the name suggests, it is flat, whereas in case of curved mirror, the surface is not flat. The surface may be curved in or it may be curved out. If it is curves in, then it is a concave mirror, and if it is curves out, it is a convex mirror. Now, let us see what is a plane mirror. A plane mirror has a flat reflective surface, and light rays, when they strike a plane mirror, then the angle of reflection equals the angle of incidence. Now let us see what is this angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Now, an angle of incidence is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. Now what is that incident ray? The ray which is falling on the plain glass surface, that is an incident ray. And when we draw a line perpendicular to it and it's an imaginary line, that is known as normal. So the angle between the ray which is falling on the plane surface and the normal is known as angle of incidence. Whereas the ray which reflects back, it is known as reflected ray. And the angle of reflection is the angle between the normal and the reflected ray. Now, let us see what are spherical mirrors. A spherical mirror is a curved mirror. It is a part of a hollow sphere. Spherical mirrors are of two types, concave mirror and convex mirror. Now, concave mirror. In case of a concave mirror, the reflecting surfaces curves inward. For example, look here. Here, the reflecting surfaces are curved inward. And the rays of light which are parallel to the principal axis after passing from a concave mirror, they meet at a point. As you can see in this figure, the rays which are falling on the surface are reflected back, and these rays, they are meeting at a point, which the point at which they meet is known as principal focus. So in case of a concave mirror, rays actually meet at a point, that is, they converge at a point on the principal axis. Now let us see what is a convex mirror. A mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards, and the rays which are parallel to the principal axis, after reflection from a convex mirror, they diverge. They do not meet at a point. They appear to come from a point behind the mirror. Now look here. The rays which are falling on this surface, they are reflected back. They are diverged back. They are not converging at a point. They get diverged. Such type of mirror is known as a convex mirror. Now, let us see how do these convex mirror look like. Now, these convex mirror, when we talk about a concave mirror, this concave mirror bend inward, and they are bowl shaped. See, when we talk about convex mirror, the convex mirror bend outward. As you can see, they bulges outward, and they are dome shaped. So here again, in case of a concave mirror, they bulges inward, a cavity so they bulges inward. Whereas when we talk about convex mirror, they bulges outward and they are dome shaped. Now you can compare these convex mirror, the same shape when you look at the back side of a spoon. And these convex mirror, they are used as side view mirrors. When you talk about the concave mirror, the shape look like the satellite dishes, the front of a spoon. That is known that the shape is similar to the front portion of a spoon or the satellite dishes. And when we talk about plane mirror, they are flat mirror. That is bathroom mirror. When you touch the surface of the bathroom mirror, you feel that it is even surface. But when you touch the surface of a convex mirror, then you see that it is bulging outward. And when you touch the surface of a concave mirror, you find that it is bulging inward. Now, let us see how we get our convex mirror. We get a convex mirror, children, when there is a coating of the material on inside of the spherical mirror. Then on the inside of the spherical mirror, then the mirror we get is a convex mirror. When we talk about concave mirror, the coating is on the outside of the spherical surface, then a mirror is known as a concave mirror. Got it? So in case of convex mirror, the coating is inside of the spherical mirror, whereas in case of a concave mirror, the coating is on the outside of the spherical surface. And let me tell you that if the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is concave, it is a concave mirror, and if it is convex, then it is a convex mirror. Now, let us discuss the image formation in case of a plane mirror. When you look in front, just look here, children. Here you have a plane mirror. The lines denote the polished surface and the smooth surface denote the reflective surface. Now, when you look yourself through a mirror, you get this image. Only thing is that if you move your right hand, then the image in the mirror moves left hand, and this is what is called lateral inversion. That is, right of the object is the left of the image, and left of the object is the right of the image. That is lateral inversion. Now, let us discuss what are the properties of image which is formed by a plane mirror. Now, remember children, the image formed is virtual. That is, we believe that the rays are, after reflection, are actually meeting at a point. The image is erect. That is, if we say that, just here, look here children, you can see the top of the image is the same like the top of the object, and the bottom of the image is same like the bottom of the object. That is, the image is erect. The image is of the same size as the object. Now look here, you can see that the object and the image both have the same size. The image is laterally inverted. As I told you, the right of the object would be the left of the image, and the left of the object would be the right of the image. The image is laterally inverted. The image is as far behind as the mirror as the object is in front. For this point, for example, assume that this is the mirror, this is the object. Between the distance between the mirror and the object, let us assume that if it is about 20 centimeter, then the distance between the mirror and the image will also be 20 centimeter. That is, the image is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front. This distance, the distance of the mirror from the object and the distance of the image from the mirror is the same. 'Now, Let us see what type of image is formed by convex mirror. Now children, here I have used the word diverging. As I told you, the rays, they divert, they move apart, they do not meet at a point. That's why convex mirror are also known as diverging mirrors. Now, when talk about the characteristics of images using convex mirror, then remember that the image is smaller than the object and the image distance is smaller than the object distance. The image is upright or erect and the image is virtual. Again, the image, when you look through a convex mirror, image is smaller than the object and the distance of the image from the mirror is also less than the distance of the object from the mirror. The image is upright, the image is erect, the image is virtual. That is, the image is formed when the rays appears to meet at a point. In reality, they do not meet at a point. So here again, image is virtual, image is erect, image is reduced, and it is located behind the mirror between the vertex and focus. Now, let us see what type of image is formed by a concave mirror. Concave, as the name suggests, cave, that means it forms a cave-like structure inside of a spoon. The image form depends upon the distance of the object from the focal point of the mirror. In case of a concave mirror, always a real, inverted, and diminished image is formed when the object is at a distance from the mirror. On the other hand, it again forms a real inverted but an enlarged image, that is a big image, when the object is brought near to the mirror. Furthermore, the image, if the object is brought very close to the mirror, then the image becomes virtual, erect, and magnified. So again, children, in case of a concave mirror, the image form is real and it is inverted, that is upside down, and it is smaller. That is when the object is at a distance. If we are moving the object towards the mirror, then again the image becomes real inverted, but the size of the image increases. On the other hand, if the object is brought very close to the mirror, then the image becomes virtual, erect, and magnified. Now, let us see what are the uses of mirror. Let us first of all discuss the uses of plane mirror. Plane mirror are used as looking glass, used in solar cookers, used in constructing periscope, which is used in submarines. They are also used in making kaleidoscope, that's a toy which has beautiful pattern. They are also used in various scientific instruments, for example, microscope. They are used as mirror on the wall so as to make the room look bigger. They are also used as rear view mirror which help this driver to see traffic behind the car. Now let us quickly discuss what are the uses of concave mirror. Now concave mirror are used as to produce a parallel beam. Then they are used in telescope, that is to collect light from a distant source and to focus it for viewing. Telescope, you all know that we use it in looking at stars. Cosmetic mirror to produce an enlarged image. And then they are also used in headlights of a car to produce a parallel beam of light which can be directed or straight ahead. Then they here also the uses of convex mirror are there to get a wider view of the road, to get practical knowledge of the concave mirror. Now let us quickly discuss what are the uses of convex mirror, and at the same time let us compare concave with convex mirror. First of all, uses of convex mirror. They help to the driver to see the vehicles behind them as they cover a large area as compared to plane mirror or concave mirror. Now, these convex mirror produce erect and virtual images, and they are also used as security mirrors and rear view mirror. Now here let us see what is a concave mirror, a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inward. Whereas what is a convex mirror? A mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outward. This concave is also called converging. Convex is also called diverging. A concave always it has a real focus, whereas convex has a virtual focus. Here the magnification of the mirror can be greater, equal, or less than 1. Here it is less than 1. The parallel beam of light falling on this converges at a point, whereas the parallel beam of light falling on this appear to diverge from a point.